What's up guys, welcome to Programming Career. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to extract audio from video using FFmpeg. So let's get started. First of all, since I have FFmpeg installed on my computer, I'll open my terminal and run a command which is very simple. I'm opening my terminal from here in Windows. I'm typing CMD and pressing enter, and the terminal is opened on this directory. Now I will check if the file is present in this directory, so typing dir on Windows machine. So as you can see here, there is a MP4 file named Coldplay Miracles. So I will extract MP3 from this MP4. Okay, so for this my command will be FFmpeg -i means input. My input is Coldplay Miracles, so I will type C and press tab. So my input is this MP4, and the following command will be my output, Coldplay Miracles dot mp3. So if I hit enter now, I will get an mp3 file named Coldplay Miracles with bitrate of these mp4 files audio sections bitrate. But if I want to define my bitrate, then I can put here -b:(a). So -b:(a) 320k means we're setting the audio bitrate to 320 kilo. Okay, and my output file name is Coldplay Miracles.mp3. so I'm hitting the enter button now, and as you can see here, the FFmpeg is started converting. It will take some time based on my processor, and it's just finished processing. So if we go to the directory now, writing dir, as you can see here, Coldplay Miracles.mp3 and Coldplay Miracles.mp4. So our file is ready. Okay, let's play it. Yes, that amazing song is playing. Okay, so guys, you learned a new thing. If you don't have FFmpeg installed on your machine, you can easily install it by downloading static zip file and adding that to your system environment variable. So FFmpeg is a very powerful tool to convert any kind of audio and video. You can give it a shot if you didn't try it yet. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more quick tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next video.